Montreal Jazz Festival kicks off in full force amid rise in COVID-19 numbers. Organizers, festival goers thrilled to be back, but virus threatens to dampen fun. Music lovers packed into the Quartier des Spectacles Thursday night, where Montreal's International Jazz Festival, a summer staple in the city, kicked off in earnest after two pared-down pandemic editions. More than 350 artists will be performing at indoor and outdoor concerts, two-thirds of which are free from now until July 9th, marking the start of the city's first real festival season in 2 years. But music isn't all that's in the air these days. Quebec public health officials have asked people to stay vigilant as COVID-19 infections and hospitalizations rise amid the emergence of new, more easily transmissible Omicron subvariants in the province. As a resurgence of the virus threatens to put a damper on the festivities, organizers of the Jazz Fest say they are optimistic about the situation and are happy to be bringing 10 days of music and culture to Montrealers this year. Maureen Oxemery, the festival's program director, submitted by the Montreal Jazz Festival. "We're super excited," said Maureen Oxemery, the festival's program director. "This festival belongs to the people of Montreal, to the city. Due to pandemic restrictions, the festival was reduced to a shortened concert series over a period of 5 days last September. In 2020, there were a series of concerts streamed online but no in-person events. This year's lineup features several big names, including American hip-hop band The Roots, who will close out the festival with a free outdoor show July 9th. Saxophonist Kamasi Washington, rapper Joey Bada, blues rock band Nathaniel Ratliff, the Night Sweats are among the other headliners. "It's going to be a very good edition this year," Oxemery said. He said organizers are following the COVID-19 situation closely. "We'll be very cautious about what the government is going to tell us, if there are new restrictions and so on. Happy to be back, some with a mask despite the increase in COVID-19 numbers." The government said it is not planning to reimpose mask measures or public health restrictions. "We're not there and we are not headed in that direction," said Public Health Director Dr. Luke Boileau at a news conference Wednesday. He is, however, encouraging people to wear masks when gathering indoors and at crowded outdoor events, especially those in at-risk groups. He said those at higher risk should also consider getting a booster shot if they haven't already done so. That's what made the decision to travel from Albany, NY, to attend the Montreal Jazz Festival so easy for Charles Tutty. "I don't feel concerned. I have my booster shot," he said, excited to be attending the festival for the first time. Charles Tutty came from Albany, NY, to attend the Montreal Jazz Festival for the first time. CBC News, "It's fantastic. You can feel the energy of the crowds and just the vibes of the people here, and the music is spectacular," he said. Festival goer Jason Chapman, who traveled from Halifax to attend the festival for the third time, said it's liberating to be back in person among crowds of people outdoors. "It's weird not wearing a mask, but at the same time it feels great," he said, adding that he'll be wearing one indoors for the foreseeable future. Danielle Gerstmann says that leaving it up to individuals to decide whether or not to wear a mask doesn't feel like the safest option. CBC News, Danielle Gerstmann is also happy to be back at the Jazz Fest, but if she attends indoor concerts, she's going to mask up as well. "I know that it's up to individuals to decide to wear a mask, so it doesn't feel like the safest option," she said. "I think if I was vulnerable, I wouldn't come, so I don't know if it's the most responsible way." Alice Green, 4.